In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Adobe Acrobat. If you need to access a PDF quickly and start working on it from Adobe's online dashboard, this is a simple process and it only takes a moment once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can follow along easily. To begin, go to the Adobe Home dashboard in your web browser. This is the main landing area where Adobe shows your available apps, recent activity, and files connected to your account. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log in first before you can continue. Once you're on the home dashboard, take a second to let the page fully load so all of the application options are visible. Next, look toward the top row of Adobe applications. In that row, find Acrobat and click on it. This will open the Acrobat area of your Adobe account where you can view and manage PDF files. If you use several Adobe tools, the top row can look a little busy at first, so make sure you're selecting Acrobat specifically and not another app with a similar layout. After you click it, give the page a moment to switch over. Once Acrobat opens, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a section labeled Your Files. This area displays the files available in your Acrobat workspace, including documents you've recently used or uploaded. Find the file you want to work on, then click on it to open it. After selecting the file, Acrobat should load that document so you can begin reviewing, editing, or organizing it, depending on your access and the tools available in your account. If your file doesn't appear right away, it can help to pause for a second and let the file list refresh, especially if you've just uploaded something recently. That's all it takes to open Adobe Acrobat and access a file from the Adobe Home dashboard. The key is to first get to the Adobe Home page, then choose Acrobat from the top row of apps, and finally open your document from the Your Files section on the right-hand side. Once you've done it a couple of times, this becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.